Morning, everybody. Hey, first off, I want to say thank you for doing the workout yesterday. The video on YouTube got a decent amount of views, so hopefully, if you viewed it, hopefully you did it. It wasn't real difficult. Maybe the last round was hard because you were supposed to do it until failure, but other than that, I don't think it was too hard. So the one today, you can do inside or outside. It doesn't involve any running. You want to add running, you can. Just be aware that we do have running tomorrow. So if you don't want to run today, you're going to get it tomorrow. Also, thank you to everybody that sent me emails in return or through Schoology or through my email account. I got emails from parents, emails from kids. I got pictures from several people of them doing it in the driveway in groups or doing it by themselves. So thank you for that. And you got to stay physical. Okay, you can't just sit inside. You need to have some kind of schedule. I know it's hard to do because it almost feels like summer break, but it's not. It's a whole weird situation. Anyways, today's workout is called a Tabata. That is Tabata. And that is something that you do quick movements for a short amount of time, and then you also have a short break. Okay, you're going to do 4 minutes in pairs, or 4 each. Okay, so we're going to do 4 minutes or 4 each. Okay, you're going to need a timer. So for 20 seconds, you're going to do push-ups. Then you take a 10-second break. Okay? Then, for 20 seconds, you're going to do mountain climbers. And then a 10-second break. So what does that end up being? That ends up being a whole minute of exercising. Okay? Even though you're only doing 40 seconds of actual exercise and you have 20 seconds of break. Okay? You are going to do that 4 times. Sorry, I know that's ugly. You're going to do that 4 times. Okay, and that's just on that. And then everything I write after this is the exact same thing. You're going to do it for 20 seconds and then 10-second break. 20 seconds, 10-second break. You're going to do it 4 times. So we're going to have 5 different sections that we're doing. So if we go 4 minutes each, it should be about a 20-minute workout. That's not bad at all. Okay? I'm not going to write it this way the rest of the time. Okay? So that's just part 1. So the second part, you would do, hopefully I can fit it all on here, 20 seconds of knee plank, and I have a video for all of these. They're real simple. Then a 10-second break, and then 20-second sole touches, and then a 10-second break. Okay? After that, I'm going to run out of space. You have 20 seconds burpees, then a break, 20 seconds wall sit, then a break. Okay? I'll put the other ones here. I don't care what order you do it in. How about that? Then 20 seconds dips, then a break, 20 seconds jump squats. Then a break. Okay? And then the very last one is 20 seconds In athletics, we just call them obliques. The actual movement is called a Russian twist. This is an ab for abs. We've done it in pre-athletics also. And then 20 seconds of crunches. Alright, so what you see on your screen right here, every little square, let me see if I can make my, I'm going to bring this down so you can see better. Sorry guys, I am trying. Alright, there you go. So everything you see on your screen, you're going to do for 4 minutes. This is 4 minutes. This is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And 4 minutes. Each thing you do 20 seconds, take a 10-second break, then 20 seconds, then a 10-second break. Okay, I'm going to put this back on at the end. You can screenshot it. You can also, if you have a smartphone or whatever they're called, you can download an app, a Tabata app, and it'll be like a timer, and you can set how it goes. It'll do 20 seconds, and then it'll beep. 10 seconds, it'll beep. 20 seconds, it'll beep. Okay? Alright, so what do these exercises look like? I'll come back to this and you can screenshot it. Made some videos right here. Alright, so first you have push-ups and mountain climbers, right? So you're going to do push-ups. They're gymnastic style, right? They're going to work your triceps. Right here, those are mountain climbers, okay? You're just in a push-up position, but then it's like you're running up a wall or a mountain. See what I did there? Alright, next, knee planks. So you get in a push-up position, and then you just raise your knees up while in a push-up position, okay? It works your abs, your obliques, all that stuff. Sole touches, think about the sole of your shoe. You're going to get down in a sit-up position. We've done this many times before in just about every class. And you are going to get in a small crunch spot, get your shoulder blades off the ground, and just reach and touch the soles of your shoe. Try to keep your feet together and don't get them real close to your butt, okay? Because that would be like, it's kind of cheating. Alright, the further your feet are out, the better. Alright. Next is burpees. We know what burpees are. Burpees get down to a push-up, jump, push-up, jump. Then everybody's favorite, wall sits. I got kicked out of my living room for this. Wall sits, 20 seconds, right there. Have your back up against the wall. Don't have your hands on your knees. Hold that for 20 seconds. We've done that in the gym multiple times. Dips. Dips you can do on a chair. You could try on the end of your couch, but it doesn't work very well. Alright, so dips do on the end of your chair. My palms are on the chair. Get your feet all the way out, legs straight, and dip down and push all the way up. You want your butt to almost hit the ground. Okay? And then jump squats. It's exactly what it sounds like. You squat and jump. Squat and jump. Squat and jump. They're easy, except for when you're doing them after wall sits. Then they're a little difficult. Alright, the last two things. My wife was making fun of me on this. We just wrote down obliques in athletics. That's what's written on the mirror. But technically they're called Russian twists. Okay, we've done these in my pre-athletics classes. You're going to get in a balanced position. Your feet are going to be together. Your feet are also going to be up off the ground. Find your balance on your butt. and then you are going to twist back and forth, hitting the ground. You'd like to hit it with the palm of your hand, but you want to hit the ground with both hands. Okay? And then crunches, which I'm terrible at and hurt my back. You're going to do those. Okay? That's just all examples. Here is your workout again. It's a Tabata. 20 seconds of work, 10-second break. 20 seconds of work, 10-second break. You would take care of this whole section before moving on. Okay? You would do that whole thing for 4 minutes before moving on to the next. Then do this one, the whole section for 4 minutes, then the next. I think you're getting the idea. Okay? Download the app if you want to. It will help. Then you don't have to pay attention to a timer. Okay? If you have any questions, email me through either my school email or Schoology, whatever it takes. Also, the link is on Instagram. Okay, y'all are doing great. I'll be outside today with you. Be careful. Be patient with each other. I know that when we get close to each other, especially families, when we're together constantly all the time, it can be tough sometimes. Just be patient. Take breaks from each other at some point. But just care for each other. Okay? That's what we got to do right now. All right. See ya.